Cryptocurrencies in 2024. Navigating the future of digital finance. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of cryptocurrencies and exploring what 2024 has in store for this rapidly evolving industry. Let's jump right in. To begin, let's take a quick look at the current state of the cryptocurrency landscape. As of 2024, we've witnessed significant developments in blockchain technology, the backbone of cryptocurrencies. Scalability solutions, interoperability between different blockchains, and increased adoption by both individuals and institutions have been key highlights. Now, let's discuss some of the major cryptocurrencies that continue to shape the market. Bitcoin, the pioneer, has maintained its position as a store of value. Ethereum, with its ongoing transition to Ethereum 2.0, is tackling scalability issues. Additionally, altcoins like Polkadot, Cardano, and Solana are gaining traction with unique features and functionalities. One of the most exciting aspects of the crypto space is the rise of decentralized finance, DeFi, and decentralized autonomous organizations, DAOs. DeFi platforms continue to offer financial services without traditional intermediaries, while DAOs represent a new paradigm of decentralized governance. The possibilities for financial inclusion and community-driven decision-making are endless. Another phenomenon that has taken the crypto world by storm is the explosion of non-fungible tokens, NFTs. These unique digital assets have found applications in art, gaming, and even real estate. Additionally, the concept of the metaverse is gaining popularity, with the projects aiming to create immersive virtual environments where users can interact, trade, and build. As cryptocurrencies become more mainstream, regulatory scrutiny has increased. Governments around the world are working on establishing clear frameworks to govern the use of digital assets. This regulatory clarity is essential for the broader adoption of cryptocurrencies and the development of a sustainable and secure ecosystem. One of the ongoing debates in the crypto space is the environmental impact of mining operations, particularly for proof-of-work cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. However, the industry is actively seeking sustainable solutions, with many projects exploring proof-of-stake mechanisms and other eco-friendly alternatives. In 2024, we're witnessing a growing integration of cryptocurrencies into traditional finance. Institutional investors are increasingly entering the space, and financial institutions are offering cryptocurrency-related products and services. This intersection of traditional and digital finance is a crucial step toward broader acceptance. Looking ahead, emerging technologies like quantum computing and the integration of artificial intelligence are poised to impact the crypto space. These advancements bring both challenges and opportunities as the industry works to enhance security measures and explore new use cases. While the crypto space is filled with innovation and potential, it's essential to acknowledge the risks and challenges. Market volatility, security concerns, and regulatory uncertainties are factoring that investors and enthusiasts need to be aware of and navigate carefully. Top cryptocurrency to keep for maximum gain in 2024. As we navigate through the ever-shifting world of digital currencies, pinpointing the top cryptocurrency to hold for maximum gain in 2024 has become a paramount goal for investors worldwide. In this rapidly evolving market, where new tokens emerge and existing ones fluctuate in value, making a well-informed decision is crucial. This video aims to guide you through the complex yet exciting world of cryptocurrency, spotlighting the single digital asset that stands out for its potential to deliver exceptional returns in 2024. Drawing from in-depth market analysis, technological advancements, and expert forecasts, we'll explore why this particular cryptocurrency is poised to be the investment choice of the year, offering insights into its unique features, potential for growth, and the strategic reasons behind its anticipated success. Pandoshi, PAMBO, the next 100x utility token. The market has witnessed the arrival of a novel cryptocurrency that's garnering significant interest for its prospects of delivering considerable short-term profits. This asset is marked by its potential for untapped growth and a finite supply, often experiencing rapid and notable increases in value soon after its introduction, making it an attractive choice for investors looking for options under Warna's. At first glance, Pandoshi may appear as another meme coin, yet it embodies a fully autonomous, decentralized digital ecosystem. Its detailed white paper showcases a profound level of professionalism and technical intricacy. Pandoshi's core values include promoting decentralization, safeguarding financial privacy, and encouraging robust community participation. Pandoshi operates on a Layer 2 network that favors the eco-friendlier proof-of-stake protocol over the conventional proof-of-work system. Its ecosystem is comprehensive, Featuring a decentralized exchange, DEX, the secure Pandoshi wallet, immersive metaverse gaming, educational programs, and crypto-compatible prepaid cards, all operating without KYC protocols. The ecosystem's primary token, Pambo, originated on the Ethereum blockchain. The Pambo token is designed as a deflationary asset, utilizing a strategy of buying and subsequently burning tokens from the market, thus increasing their rarity. Notable features of Pandoshi, such as its exchange that levies transaction fees, play a significant role in bolstering the token's value. These fees are directed towards acquiring and permanently removing Pambo tokens from circulation, aiding in supply reduction and price stabilization. Pandoshi has recently attracted a wave of investors, many of whom have transitioned from their earlier engagements with cryptocurrencies like Doge and Shiba Inu. Disillusioned by the stagnation and speculative nature of these previous investments, they are now gravitating towards Pandoshi, enticed by its potential for a 400% return on investment. A key development for Pandoshi has been the launch of the beta version of its Pandoshi wallet on the Google Play Store, with an iOS version also in the pipeline. Achieving this milestone during the pre-sale phase has significantly boosted investor confidence, demonstrating the project's ability to meet its objectives efficiently and ahead of schedule. This tactical advancement during a pivotal moment reflects the team's commitment and capability to reach significant milestones, thereby solidifying trust in Pandoshi's future. The wallet's support for both EVM and non-EVM chains is a notable feature, illustrating Pandoshi's ambition to lead in the fast-evolving cryptocurrency sector. This surge in interest highlights the project's forward momentum. With a growing number of investors joining, the completion of its fourth phase and progression to the next is imminent. This stage offers an ideal chance for early investment in a project that not only shows potential, but also the capacity to achieve concrete outcomes. As we wrap up our exploration of cryptocurrencies in 2024, it's evident that the industry continues to evolve at a rapid pace. The future holds exciting possibilities, from decentralized finance and NFTs to the integration of blockchain technology into our daily lives. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the fascinating world of cryptocurrencies. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay curious and stay informed.